welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be moving more into advanced. Before we continue, please like, share and subscribe the video. So I'll be teaching people more advanced about forex. People in this YouTube, they are just giving you people advanced tools, buy, sell, you buy it and you sell it. They don't usually give you guys the basics, what you need to understand about the forex who you are buying, what you need to see the market participant, the broker, what are their uses. So I'll be taking you people now on forex brokers and market participants. My previous video about TradingView, I've given all the basics, all what you need to TradingView, how to use TradingView. I've given you guys the basics, and we are now moving my previous video, which I talk on the tools forex trader needs, and today I'll be giving you more information on what is a broker, function of a broker, what they offer in the market, the leverage, and also have market participants. Who are these people in the market that are actually trading this foreign market? We have the central banks, we have brokers, we have commercial banks, we have speculators, we have individuals. I'll be breaking down this step for you one after another so you actually understand what all these people, all of these things that I've written here actually mean in the market, because these are what we need to understand before we are making profit in this forex market. We'll be taking it further, like what is a broker? A broker is an individual or a firm that acts as an intermediate between an investor and the financial market. We have many brokers, we have AvaTrade, we have OctaFX, we have XNex. I prefer you guys the XNex because it had low spread, the commission, and also the leverage that XNex give is actually good. And I'll be teaching you people, telling people what commission is, what spread is, and what leverage is. We'll be moving also for function of a broker. They act as a middleman. Like for me to trade in the financial market, for you to trade in the financial market, you need a broker, because you can't just access that market without a broker. So the broker now comes in as a middleman. They help exchange your order. We also have take and execute orders. That is the exchange orders. Like if I'm to buy GBPUSD here, and you, wherever you are to buy GBPUSD or you are to sell, they exchange our orders. That's the function of a broker. We also have provide leverage. Leverage here, I'm still going to break down leverage. Leverage here is like the amount a broker keep in for you when you are creating an account. They give you a leverage, and I'm still going to explain that on this video. Just keep watching. Also have execute pending orders and positions. When we are in the forex market, when you using MetaTrader 5 or 4, there are times that you want to buy at this position, but you know you will not be in the market at that time. So you will be like, when the market gets at this position, the broker should get me into the market or take me out of the market. We also have help you participate in the financial market, like what I just said, forex as a whole. The broker help you participate in forex. What brokers offer in the whole market, they collect orders and exchange, help you place stop loss, take profit, also gives you leverage, like I just recently said from the previous slide. Leverage, which we just mentioned now in the broker. What is leverage? Leverage refers to the use of borrowed money or to amplify potential returns on an investment. It allows individuals and companies to increase their purchasing power and invest more than their available capital. Leverage here actually increase your purchasing power. Years back, like the 1970, we could not trade in the financial market because the amount of money you needed, like in millions. Like if you check central banks, the amount of money they chip in the financial market, like Cameroon of recent, like they chip in 207 billion francs into the forex market. That's to show you that for you to trade in this market, you need huge funds. So here is what the brokers do. They come in with leverage. First leverage, like we have 1:100, 1:500, 1:1000. Example, you deposit 100 US dollar. It means that you deposit your 100 US times 100. That's the actual money that is in your broker, though it's not physical, but it's the money that is standard. You have the purchasing power of 100 times 500. Let's say 100 times 500, that's 50 US dollar. You have the purchasing power of 50 US dollar, which you deposited just 100 US dollar. Remember, so that's the power of a leverage. That's the power of a broker. That's what the broker help people in this market for. We also have market participants. These are what we are into. Who are the people in this market? These participants are divided into two: those for profit and those to control the market. We have people here who are just to make profit in the market, and people who are to look the market. When the price of US dollar is high, they bring it down. When it's too low, they bring it up. So we have those for profit. Those are commercial banks. Like commercial banks, for example, we take United Bank of Africa. That's a commercial bank. We take Eco Bank. We take Starling Bank. There are so many commercial banks. They are there to make profit. That's why they give you loans, and they know they are making profit from that loan. You have collateral you have to give them. They are big traders that are into forex. Like from those banks, if you see any commercial bank, there are forex trader inside, though you don't know. That's one secret about commercial banks. They have trader. You see a commercial bank starting with a small building, and within a week they've boom with like a big building. I don't know. You don't like, is it profit from loss they are be giving? No, they have expert traders in the bank. That's their main aim in this forex market. They do trade the forex market too. We also have speculators. The profit they the profit and they speculate that at this time, these days, and the market will move up or down. For speculators, they just like look the market and they'll be like, at this time the market will go up, at this time the market will sell. So they don't even like know what they're doing. They're just speculating, like they don't actually know what will actually happen in the future. But they are seeing that at this very position, the market will buy. At this very position, they're just speculating, they are not actually real. We also come here now to the individuals. That's you and I. We are here in this market to make profit, to make money in this forex market. Individuals, they use various trading techniques, strategy to make money from the forex market. Main aim are profit making. There are a lot of strategies. We are still going to talk on that. Analysis, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and sentimental analysis. We are going to talk on that. That's what individual like I and you use in trading this forex market to make profit. Okay, for those who control the banks, like we have the central banks, they control funds in the market. Like for example, we have GBP USD. They are interested in the forex market for control. Example, if GBP is buying, it means GBP is gaining more pump in more strength compared to USD. That's this GBP, Great British Pound, is stronger than this US dollar. So when GBP is buying, it's stronger than the US dollar. Now the the United States, the central bank of the United States comes in and yeah, they pumps in dollar in the market to make their currency have strength, because investor will be running away from this currency since it's falling, it's losing value. They will instead go for the Great British Pound, since that's the one that is buying. So their function here is to pump money into this market for their currency to gain strength. We also have the view of what we've been saying about what is happening in the forex market. As you can see, we have a broker, we have banks, we have large volume traders, speculators, commercial banks, individuals. We have the central banks, which are here to control money, and we also have the commercial banks too here, which make money. Like you can see, brokers exchanging liquidity between banks, interbanks rate. So actually, this is a broad view on what market participant is, broker, leverage, and what actually they are actually doing in the market, because you need to understand all these things for you to be able to trade successfully in the market. Thanks you for watching. If you stay up to the end of this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll be uploading more videos also on the brokers. What is their gain in the market? We have commission, we have spread. I'll be talking about the types of analysis. I'll be talking about the type of strategies. Just stay connected. Bye, guys.